Guess what, y'all? Today's video is brought to you by and sponsored by Ridge at ridge.com. Now, if you don't know about Ridge, you must be living under a rock. But in case you don't live under a rock, guess what? They got 30,000 5-star reviews, top level quality, goes in and out your pocket real smooth, like real durable, can hold up to 12 cards. You see, mine got stacked. It even got a money clip for cash, but I ain't got none of that because I'm broke, you know. But they got over 30 different styles, top level materials. This is the pressed carbon fiber. They got the burnt titanium. They got white. They got all sorts of different colors. Just go to ridge.com/tallguy. Matter of fact, all the links will be below in the description. And make sure you use promo code TALLGUY to get 10% off your order. Now let's get this video started, baby.
Alright, so let's see what the aftermath is of the tranny blowing on the dyno. So here we go. I think Jose got one vote. So
Yep.
You're good to go.
Good to go.
Alright, so here we go. I can tell you it's gonna be bad. I already see I can see the transmission here.
It's not a regular drop.
Dang.
You got it?
Yeah. Going down.
Alright, so you guys notice the casing. I mean, this thing, like we said, grenaded on the dyno. The good thing is, valve housing is fine, which means that it didn't hurt any part of the motor. Because I had one personal car that I had blow up on the dyno, and it ripped the ears off the motor. The transmission ended up being sideways. So, although this looks bad, it's not as bad as what I've seen before. This one looks like, from what I heard from DMB Auto, most likely the pump is what exploded. But yeah, this is the aftermath of it, man. Let's turn around. I mean, you can see all the guts. So, I mean, this thing blew. It really blew. Look at this. Wow, this is nuts, man. We're lucky we didn't get hurt in this, man.
Man.
You're behind it. I was in the car.
I was praying for you and me.
I don't think I'll probably, hopefully not ever see one like this again.
I never seen one like that before.
Right?
That's it.
So yeah, there it is, man. So we decided to go a different route. We're going with DMB Auto. We're gonna do their tranny. We reached out to him, and he got us taken care of pretty quick. Obviously, we want to turn this thing around pretty quick so we can have Tall Guy back on the road again. So again, DMB Auto is the tranny that we're gonna install. See what that does. Hopefully it holds.
Hopefully. Man, that thing blew up.
Here's this little piece was missing.
That's the missing piece of the puzzle. Look at that. All the clutches. It's nuts, man. I really would want to know what exactly causes this. But like I said, again, the valve housing survived, which is really much what I was worried about. I was worried about it hurting the engine in some kind of way. Again, on a personal note, I've had that happen to mine. So I had to get a block, tranny, dry shaft, all in one shot. And even then, we had the car up and running about a week later.
Yeah, well, it's a good thing we're both safe.
Yeah, good thing we're both safe.
Man, that was
Amen to that, man.
Yeah.
G Squizzle, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall Guy in the flesh, back with another, you guessed it, legendary video. And as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, the transmission has gotten dropped and put back up. And I could have finagled y'all, I could have chopped it up into 2 different videos, but I gave it to y'all all in one, and we and Young Ruby today. Pretty much, I'm gonna leave Sway here. I'm gonna let my guy Alex, he's gonna take out the transmission and everything like that. And yeah, y'all get everything how he give it to y'all, and I gotta dip out, and we're gonna go make a video for Love and Slim. My woman, my fiance, pardon me, is in the car right now. You know what I'm saying? My dog Sway Media is behind the lens. Subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram, but make sure you subscribe to Love and Slim while you subscribing to everything, man. And make sure y'all follow Love and Slim on Instagram as well. Now let's get the build started. Well, let's just let it all begin, baby. what's happening with you,
Not
brother,
much.
man?
Another day, another legendary day.
Oh, the top of the moon kind of
That's
thing.
right.
You know what I'm saying? So what we doing today, brother?
So today
Another
we
truck
got your transit. So we got DMB's transmission.
Okay.
Same kind of setup we're talking about on Demonologies.
Yep. Shout out to my guy Demonology. Go subscribe to his channel. Sway, put it up on the screen so they can see it, brother.
He was
Appreciate
actually talking to Dave regarding it, and that's when Dave reached out to me, and we worked out so we can get his trans in there. Did you see the other one already?
Oh no, that's the old one.
Yeah, the
that
one
blew
over
up.
here. The one over here. So it's supposed to look like that,
Right.
like this transmission.
Uh huh. That's how it's supposed to look.
That's how it's supposed to look.
But instead, it look like
It
this.
looks like this.
Damn.
Yeah. Look.
This is part
And
of
that's
that.
part of that. Yeah. This. So you see that back shaft?
Yeah. Damn, that joint blew up for real.
Yeah, it blew up.
The whole top.
The whole top. Yeah. So this. Basically that.
So you could just peel all that off right now?
Try to, but if it goes
Yeah,
around
you don't
it.
want to mess with it, right?
But,
Cut
yeah.
your hand or something.
But I mean, all these pieces.
And what are those?
These are the clutches. So it took there, you know.
That's crazy. This just damn. Yo, that's nuts.
Crazy, huh?
Damn, that's crazy. I thought you were talking about this one. I thought you were gonna say this one was mine.
Oh, no, that one actually looks
It looked like it belonged in the 1940 Ford Mustang.
So yeah, so we got this trans in. It came in today,
Thank you.
and
Yeah, it looked way better.
yeah. So this, all the internals are upgraded, obviously, to hold the horsepower rating.
Okay.
So it's gonna go up. Just I'd say maybe a couple more days, and we'll put it back. Maybe tomorrow we'll put it on the dyno and finish it off.
All right, I'm ready, brother.
You know, I don't. Me too.
How confident are you in this one?
I'm 100% confident. 100%.
I'm standing in front this time.
Well, it worked out for video purposes, even though it'd probably been better if you'd have been, but
Yeah, it definitely worked a whole lot better with me behind the car.
yeah. But I mean, what'd you say to me? You said it one time. You said a real videographer would do anything for the shot.
That's right.
Yep.
That's right. It's
Yep.
so true.
You got that for
And
that
Slay
shot.
did that.
He did that. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I
Sacrificial
risked
lamb.
my life
No, you
and my
did
legs.
that, brother, and I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying?
Appreciate it. Boom.
All right, so that's it.
That's it. Yeah. Basically, we'll knock this out and then get it up and running again. Just make sure we'll just go through. Oh, actually, no. We're waiting on the dry shaft.
Okay.
So that should be coming. Maybe that's already on the way. So a couple more days, I think. Maybe that's gonna be the hold up. If I have one here,
Oh, the drive shaft went with it, huh?
yeah, the dry shaft. Well, the dry shaft.
Damn, I don't know why I didn't think about
The
that.
dry shaft sits here.
Yeah, but for some reason I thought the drive shaft made it.
It made it, but it broke the front of it, the U joints of it. So I just sent it out to go get.
Oh yeah,
redone.
that thing that
where the universal joint in the front.
yeah, I remember that where it pieces up.
Where it
together.
pieces up, right?
Yep.
So that
I'm learning, brother.
yeah, there you go. That's right.
Yeah, you said you joined it. It clicked in my car brain. You know what I'm saying?
So it took that. We talked on when did I send you a message? Maybe I think on Saturday or Sunday.
Yup.
And we have it already here in our hands.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna be typing out my car. I was ready, prepared mentally to be gone with a couple months.
That's when we were talking about that.
Right.
Remember?
Let the bill begin. All right, y'all, so y'all seen everything, how it went down. how it all played out. Shout out to my dog Alex at Full Blown Performance. Make sure you follow my Instagram, subscribe to his YouTube channel. Like I said before, I reiterate, make sure you subscribe to Love It Slim. Me and one woman just got back. We just got done shooting our video for our channel. And I meant to say, my bad, baby. I meant to say fiance. I'm sorry. She's over there to the left, or to the right. You ain't got to worry about all that, man. It's actually my left, but your right, man. But tall guy, I'm out. Make sure you subscribe to my dog Sway Me and follow my Instagram too. I'll catch you on the next video, man. We got some more shit coming your way. Just stay tuned and stay patient. And I got some shit brewing up to sleep, man.